Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to share Telegram QR code, and now let's dive right in. Now to share your Telegram QR code, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening your Telegram app guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and after opening this interface on your Telegram app guys, you can see there is a my profile option available for us over here. Tap on that my profile and you will land on this interface, whereas at the right side of this username on Telegram over here guys, you can see there is a QR code option or the icon available for us just beside the username of our profile. Tap on that QR code and your QR code will be generated over here. You can try a variety of QR code looks over here if you want to, and choose the dark mode or light mode of the QR code from over here. And with that being done guys, you can see the share QR code option available for us at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the share QR code and this kind of interface will appear on your phone, through which you will be able to send a QR code to different platforms. Now I'll be just sending that QR code to the Telegram itself to a friend. So let's choose the Telegram over here and let's choose a friend and let's send it. And again, to send it, at the bottom right there's the airplane icon. Tap on it and that QR code will be sent on Telegram, and you can do this on any platform you like. If you save it to your phone, you will be able to upload it anywhere on any platform you like guys. And with that being said guys, this is how to share Telegram QR code. And if you have any confusions and questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.